Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning everyone, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to make cauliflower, peas and potatoes. So I got my little bit of cumin seed of saporia and 1 teaspoon of oil. To that I got 1 red onion. I'm just gonna saute it, and I will not be adding any ginger or garlic today. This one I will just make it with onion. So as you can see, my onion is sauteed. To this one I'm going to add my cauliflower and my green peas, and I'll add some potatoes, and I'll show you next. So as you can see, I have added my cauliflower, potatoes and green peas, and I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. I have added some salt and turmeric, and I'm going to add some garam masala powder and some vegetable masala powder, and 15 minutes later it should be done. All I need to do is just make sure my potatoes and my cauliflowers are cooked fully. So here is my yummy cauliflower, peas and potato curry, and it's very hot and steaming, so you can make like this and enjoy. It's very tasty too. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.